Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide a page in Canva. Once you're inside a Canva document or your design that you have, all you have to do is just find that page that you want to hide. And once you find a page, let's take the first page here. You want to look for the eye icon on the upper part of the page, and you will see once you hover over it, it says hide page. You click on that and it's going to hide the page. Now you may be wondering, if I hide a page, why am I able to see it? It simply means that once you go ahead and start to download this document, then this page will not be shown within the document. And I'm going to show you. So this is the PDF document, right? And I've hide that page. So if I go ahead and click on share and then go ahead and click on download, go ahead and choose, for example, PDF format, right? Or PDF print, you will see that it shows the document here. And as you can see right here, it immediately shows page 2 to 3. And that simply means that it does not recognize page 1 because I've hide it. Now let me go ahead and unhide the page again. And as you can see, this page is now unhide. I'm going to go ahead again and click on share. And if I click on the download option, you will now see that it recognizes page 1. However, I need to go ahead and ensure that I select page 1, and it will now go ahead and select the page. But guys, that's it. But once you go ahead and you hide a page with Canva, once you go ahead and click on share, then click on downloads, you will realize that it will hide that page, and so that page will not be automatically added. But if you want to unhide it, as I mentioned, you want to go ahead and just double check to see if that page is now included in the document, because by default it will have it as hide, but you are now able to select it in your document. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and hide and unhide pages in Canva. Very easy and very simple.